If you want to make your audio sound cleaner, fuller, or just more balanced, Audacity gives you a really simple way to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to equalize audio in Audacity step by step, using built-in EQ tools and presets so you can improve your voice recordings, music, or podcast audio fast. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and load the audio track you want to work on. Before you apply any effects, you need to make sure the track is selected. The easiest way to do that is to click on the track header on the left side of the waveform. When the track is selected properly, you're ready to start editing. Next, go up to the top menu and click on Effect. This is where Audacity keeps all of its audio processing tools, including equalizers, noise reduction, compression, and more. After that, hover over EQ and Filters. In newer versions of Audacity, this is the section that contains the equalization tools you'll need to shape your sound. From here, click on Filter Curve EQ. This is one of the best options because it gives you a visual curve that you can adjust to boost or cut specific frequencies. If your audio sounds muddy, thin, harsh, or too quiet in certain areas, this tool can help you clean that up quickly. Once the Filter Curve EQ window opens, click on Presets and Settings. This gives you access to ready-made EQ profiles instead of building everything from scratch. Then hover over Factory Presets. Audacity includes a range of preset options designed for common audio situations, so this is a great shortcut if you want fast results without a lot of tweaking. Now choose a preset that matches the kind of sound you want. For example, bass boost can make lower frequencies sound stronger and warmer, while treble boost can help brighten voices or bring out more detail. Depending on your recording, one of these presets may instantly improve the audio quality. After you select the preset, listen carefully to see how it changes the sound. If it feels too heavy, too bright, or not quite right, you can always go back and try a different preset or adjust the curve manually. When you're happy with the result, click Apply. Audacity will process the audio using the EQ settings you selected, and your track will now reflect those changes. This is the quickest way to equalize audio in Audacity using the Filter Curve EQ. Now, if you want a more hands-on option, there's also an alternative method. You can go to Effect, then EQ and Filters, and choose Graphic EQ. This tool gives you slider controls for different frequency bands, which is similar to a physical stereo equalizer. It's great if you prefer seeing each band separately and making precise adjustments by hand. For example, you can lower muddy low frequencies, boost clarity in the mids, or add brightness in the highs until the track sounds just right. A quick tip here, always make small changes first. Big EQ boosts can make your audio sound unnatural very quickly, so subtle adjustments usually give you a cleaner and more professional result. Also, if you're working with voice audio, try listening with headphones so you can hear exactly how each adjustment affects the tone. And if you ever feel stuck, start with a preset and then fine-tune from there. That's usually the fastest way to get a good sound without overcomplicating the process. So to recap, select your track, go to Effect, open EQ and Filters, choose Filter Curve EQ, pick a factory preset, and click Apply. Or if you want more control, use Graphic EQ for manual band-by-band adjustments. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Audacity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.